Now that you have launched your YouTube channel, how do you get your subscribers? YouTube is all about subscribers. The more subscribers you have, the more views you get on your videos. However, getting subscribers on YouTube takes more than just uploading videos. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 6 simple tips on how you can get more subscribers in 2023 for your YouTube channel. Let's get right into it. Tip number 1, create engaging and actionable content. If you want people to watch your video, your content has to be engaging and actionable. Build your content around your target audience, and when you script out your video, make sure it all planned ahead of time so that all the relevant points are covered. You may include B-roll shots once in a while in your video. Sites like Pixabay or Pixels can give you high quality videos and they are absolutely free. Always start your videos with an interesting hook like asking a question or some conversational statement, or even add some movement at the beginning of your video. You might want to include cards for actionable steps for your audience and end screens. Talking about end screens, make sure to include a call to action in the last 20 seconds of your video to increase engagement with your audience. And this brings me to tip number 2. Have a compelling call to action. When you have a call to action, your audience know what you need them to do. The simplest call to action you can add in the last 20 seconds of your video is to get your audience to consider subscribing to your YouTube channel. This is especially good if you just launch your YouTube channel and you don't have many videos for your audience to binge watch. Okay, so now you have your video and call to action ready. The next essential thing you need to know on how to increase your YouTube subscribers is the frequency of your uploads. Tip number 3, publish your videos frequently. When I say publish your videos frequently, doesn't mean that you have to publish it every single day. You can choose how many days you want to upload in a week. Typically for beginners, you can publish your video once a week. I do have some students who publish their videos once every 2 weeks, and that works as well. The key word here is to communicate. You need to communicate with your audience when you will be uploading your videos. You have to take your YouTube channel like a TV channel where you upload your videos weekly. You need to have a fixed day when you upload your videos. So now you have uploaded the videos, you need to optimize them. Let's take a look at how you can do this as part of how to increase your YouTube subscribers. Tip number 4, optimize your videos. When you optimize your videos, it helps to rank higher on YouTube. You can optimize a number of elements like titles, description, and other meta text so that your videos will reach to the right audience. You can use a plugin like TubeBuddy to help you with the text. You can click the link in the description below to download the TubeBuddy plugin into your YouTube channel. Some other ways you can optimize your videos is to have a captivating thumbnail and also subtitles like this. It's really easy, you just need to auto-sync in the back end. Apart from optimizing your videos, it is also important to optimize your YouTube channel, which brings me to tip number 5. Optimize your YouTube channel. There are really simple steps to optimize your YouTube channel. One of it is to create a YouTube trailer. This YouTube trailer will act as a preview of what you talk about in your channel. Other ways include using appropriate channel keywords and also channel description. If you do have a lot of videos, you might want to consider creating playlists for these videos. And you can further optimize for this playlist by having keywords and titles and description for each playlist. All these 5 tips that I've mentioned, I have them available step by step in my YouTube mentoring program. I've just launched my April batch and it's only limited to 5 participants. You can click the link in the description below to find out more about this YouTube mentoring program. And finally, tip number 6 is to promote your videos on various platforms. If you want your videos to reach people outside YouTube, you might want to consider repurposing your YouTube videos into LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Medium, newsletter, and even blogging. Turn your YouTube video into small snippets and upload that into Instagram, TikTok, and also Facebook. You might want to include the YouTube link so that they can watch the full video. You can turn your YouTube videos into written content and publish them on Medium, a newsletter, blog, or even article. You can also include the YouTube link just in case they want to watch the full video instead. So in conclusion, I hope these tips help you to achieve your YouTube goals. Let me know in the comment section below which tip you want to try out first. Click on this video to find out how you can edit your videos like a pro using CapCut Desktop. See you in the next one. Next thing you need to know to have more to increase